They understood the value of simulation in like doing over thousands of iterations in quick succession. Uh, is when once they realized they could do that, they leveraged high performance computing options and doing remote solves that just allowed them to use HPC clusters or high performance clusters that allow them to parallel process different design points. So they could work through hundreds of different parameters and just let it run overnight or over weeks. They could do this design exploration for all these different parameters and then get an optimization algorithm that basically tells them, okay, I've iterated through a bunch of design points and it tells you what is the best amongst all this in a relatively faster manner because now they don't have to do anything manually. They can just let the computer do its thing, let Ansys do its magic, and get the result by the end of it. And that gives them a significant competitive advantage.